Hi friends, welcome back to A to Z English words. A for again, English meaning once more, Tamil meaning மீண்டும். B for bottom, English meaning the lowest part, Tamil meaning அடிப்பகுதி. C for centenary, English meaning 100th anniversary, Tamil meaning நூற்றாண்டு விழா. D for dialogue, English meaning conversation, Tamil meaning உரையாடல். E for exit, English meaning to leave a place, Tamil meaning வெளியேறு. F for flee, English meaning run away, Tamil meaning தப்பி ஓடு. G for God, English meaning protect, Tamil meaning காப்பாற்று. H for hat-trick, English meaning 3 successive victories, Tamil meaning அடுத்தடுத்து மும்முறை வெற்றியடைதல். I for include, English meaning to contain, Tamil meaning சேர்த்துக்கொள். J for jumble, English meaning throw together in disorder, Tamil meaning தாறுமாறாக கலைப்பது. K for knob, English meaning handle, Tamil meaning கைப்பிடி. L for landscape, English meaning natural scenery, Tamil meaning இயற்கை காட்சி. M for meditate, English meaning think deeply, Tamil meaning தியானி. N for narrow, English meaning of little width, Tamil meaning குறுகிய. O for option, English meaning choice, Tamil meaning விருப்பம். P for partition, English meaning dividing into parts, Tamil meaning பிரித்தல். Q for quality, English meaning property, Tamil meaning குணம். R for revenue, English meaning income, Tamil meaning வருமானம். S for seldom, English meaning rarely, Tamil meaning அபூர்வமாய். T for thought, English meaning idea, Tamil meaning எண்ணம். U for uplift, English meaning lift up, Tamil meaning உயர்த்து. V for visible, English meaning that may be seen, Tamil meaning பார்க்கக்கூடிய. W for warning, English meaning caution against danger, Tamil meaning எச்சரிக்கை. X for excavate, English meaning dig out, Tamil meaning தோண்டு. Y for certainly, English meaning surely, Tamil meaning நிச்சயமாக. Z for hazard, English meaning danger, Tamil meaning ஆபத்து.